Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken salad. We have our seasonings. You got your Ritz crackers if you want a little something. We got our boiled eggs. So y'all, let's get started. So we're gonna start with 2 cans of chicken breast. No specific brand, just chicken breast. We're going to start out with seasoning. We got some salt. Just add a little bit. We don't want it too salty. We got some pepper. And then we're going to be adding lemon pepper. If you haven't tried lemon pepper in your chicken salad, try it. Then we're going to take some Weber's kicking chicken just to give it a little heat. And then we're going to be adding about 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Get you some good scoops now. Then we're going to take 2 big scoops of our sweet relish. And we're just going to mix that on up. Just keep on mixing. And then we're going to take a couple of our boiled eggs and we're just going to chop them up. Of course, I could have just chopped this on the chopping board, but I wanted to be difficult and do it in my hand. Don't worry, y'all. It's not a sharp knife, so I'm not going to cut myself. But I'm just doing it this way just to show y'all. It don't matter how you chop the eggs. Just throw it on in there. Because the more you stir it, everything will kind of crush up. Eventually, the more you stir. Okay, y'all, so once you've added 2 or 3 eggs, however many you want in there, I'm just going to give that a nice stir too. And get that well combined. And that's really pretty much it, y'all. You can put this in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2 or overnight to let those flavors marinate with each other, but you can eat it right now like I'm finna do. But this recipe is super simple. We ain't got no raisins, no apples, no pecans. We just doing a little bit more savory chicken salad. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.